Hello, and welcome to Slow Spoken English. I am Richard.
And I am Diana. We are very happy you are joining us today.
This podcast is for people who are learning English. We speak slowly, and we use simple words.
Today, we are at a cafe. A cafe is a place where you can buy coffee and food.
We are in Sydney, Australia. Right now, we are waiting in line at a very busy cafe.
It is a sunny day, and this cafe smells amazing. I can smell the coffee from here.
Me too. Okay, let's look at the menu together.
Okay, so there are many drinks on the menu. Look, flat white, long black, latte, cappuccino.
Yes. In Australia, we drink a lot of coffee. And the most popular drink here is the flat white.
The flat white, what is that exactly?
A flat white is coffee with milk. It is small, but it is strong. It is very popular in Australia and New Zealand.
Oh, I see. Strong coffee. And what about a long black? I see that on the menu too.
A long black is black coffee with hot water. There is no milk. It is also strong.
Right. And what if someone does not like strong coffee?
Then a latte is a great choice. A latte has a lot of milk. It is soft, smooth, and not too strong. Very good for beginners.
Oh, that sounds nice. I like milk in my coffee. I think I will get a latte.
Good choice. You can also choose your milk: regular, oat, soy, or almond.
Oat milk. That is very popular right now, isn't it?
Yes, very popular. Oat milk is made from oats, not from animal milk. I will get regular milk today.
Okay, I am almost ready to order. What does takeaway mean?
Good question. Takeaway means you take your drink with you in a paper cup.
Okay, takeaway. And the other option?
The other option is dine in. That means you sit inside and drink your coffee in a real cup.
Oh, that is simple. I want to sit and relax today, so I will say dine in.
Perfect. Okay, we are next in line. Let's order.
Hi there, welcome in. What can I get for you today?
Hi, can I please have a flat white with regular milk?
Of course, and for you?
And I would like a latte, please. With oat milk.
Lovely. Is that dine-in or takeaway?
Dine in, please.
Perfect. Can I get a name for the order?
Richard and Diana, please. Oh, and can I please have one sugar in mine?
Of course, no problem. That will be $12.50, please.
Here you go. We will pay by card.
Perfect, thank you. I will bring your coffees over shortly. Enjoy.
Thank you so much.
Great. That was easy, right?
Yes, very easy. Did you notice something? Richard asked for sugar. He said, "Can I please have one sugar?"
Yes. That is a very polite way to ask. You can also say, "Can I have some sugar, please?"
Okay, let's quickly review. A flat white is strong coffee with milk. A long black is black coffee with no milk. A latte is coffee with lots of milk.
And you can choose your milk: regular, oat, soy, or almond. And don't forget to say dine in or takeaway.
Exactly. I can see our coffees coming now.
They sure are. Okay, everyone, that is all for today's episode of Slow Spoken English.
Thank you so much for listening. We hope it was helpful for you. Now you know how to order coffee in English. You can do it.
If you enjoyed this episode, please click the like button.
Please subscribe so you do not miss our next episode. Goodbye.
See you next time. Cheers, everyone.